if you guys want to go and visit his site. I've got some little bit of details here about this products. Um, the prices, it's extremely cheap. Né? This cheddar cheese, the details of the smoked cheddar, it's cold smoked for 4 hours with heritage blend pellets, wrapped in wax paper and refrigerated overnight. Then vacuum sealed for at least 2 weeks before he sells this. So this is a smoked cheese with heritage blend pellets, and it actually puts a lot of effort into smoking this cheddar cheese. We're going to try this as well today. Um, this salts, it's very cheap, really. That's a homemade smoked salt. I think it's 45 rand for the original, and then 45 rand. It's like for the overseas people, it's like $2. It's very cheap.